Learn how to update shipping in Shopify. This is a crucial step to setting up your store. Within your store admin panel, click on Settings. Here you will find all setting options. Select Shipping and Delivery. Click on Manage to update how much you charge for shipping at checkout. Scroll down to the Shipping Zone section. Here you will see your store shipping prices. The Shopify default prices are much lower than actual costs, so it's important to update these. From here, click on Add Rate within the Domestic section. In the pop-up window, select Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. Using the drop-down menu, select USPS. Under Services, select First Class Package and Priority Mail. First Class is used for packages that weigh less than 1 pound. Priority Mail is for packages weighing over 1 pound. We recommend adding a handling fee of $1.99 to cover any unexpected shipping fees. Certain delivery destinations may incur up charges. You can increase or decrease this amount as preferred. When complete, click Done. You will now need to remove the default rates. Using the Options button for each, click Delete. We recommend leaving a free shipping option for your customers. Here, we left a free shipping option for orders $50 and up. You can adjust the condition as preferred. For international shipments, ensure that you have carriers using discounted rates from Shopify. Using the same method above, you can adjust the handling fees and services. Once complete, click Save.